How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to check the oil on a 2018 Subaru Impreza Sport. This is the hatchback, but it also works for the four-door as well. So the first step to checking the oil is, of course, going into the vehicle, going underneath, right here, pop the hood. The next step is to reach underneath. Underneath there's a little spot to unlatch. It. Alright, now that the hood is up and propped, the next thing you're going to want to do is locate the oil dipstick. It's this guy right here. After you've located the dipstick, the next thing you want to do is lift it up and out. Now it's good practice to clear off the dipstick after you first pull it out, because it's going to have residual oil on it. You're going to want to put it back in after you do that. Immediately take it out and check the dipstick for oil. Now for me, you may not be able to see this, but for me, I'm completely full right now. But for some of you, you may not. For some of you, you may have this car for 40, 50, 60, even 100,000 miles. And at around that time, that's when the engine starts wearing a little bit, starts consuming a little bit of oil, or it may overheat and evaporate some of its oil. So it's good to check it sometimes. For a brand new vehicle like this, however, if you don't have that many miles and you are consuming a lot of oil, it's best to get it checked out by the dealership because it may be a problem with the engine. But that's about it, guys. That's how you check the oil on a 2018 Subaru Impreza Sport.